Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys, means a lot to me. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page linked. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will all the information will be provided in the description box. Okay, so if you wanted information, just go check the description box. So today's speaker card reading is all about what you don't see coming. So what is the unexpected? So what is happening behind the scenes? So that kind of reading is going to be today. Okay, so for this reading you have to choose a feather. Okay, so we have 3 different colors over here. So the first group has this blue feather. Okay, group number 1, we have this blue feather. Okay, for group number 2, we have this pink feather with a golden touch. Beautiful. And for the third pile, we have this black feather. Okay, so close your eyes, relax your mind, completely let go of your worries, completely let go and select a feather which calls you. Okay, intuitively which calls you, that will have a message for you. So remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So relax, take your time, pause the video and then just go one, blue, pink or black. Okay, just connect intuitively and select the group. Okay, so I hope you get your message. I hope you get some clarity. I hope you get some motivation, inspiration. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Okay, and in the description box I'll be providing the timestamp, so just skip and watch your video. Okay, so let's start with group number 1. Hello group 1. So if you chose this blue feather, then this is going to be your reading. So we'll be doing charms also, guys, so if you want that, watch till the end. Okay, so yeah, so with this blue feather, if you choose this blue feather, so this blue feather is like for some of you, you might be getting awakened to some psychic abilities. You know, it will be very unexpected, and that way I'm feeling like that also. And for some of you, it's like I feel if you want to follow a path, okay, if you want to go towards a path and you're asking from the universe, is that path for you? The universe is saying yes. If you feel from your heart that this is your path, then yes, you don't have to question it anymore, because this is your path. This is the path of empowerment, you know. This is the path where you will be feeling good about yourself. This is the path where you are loving yourself. So be calm right now. Okay, you don't have to overthink about anything. So if you are like if you want to make a choice, whether you want to go to this path, you know, some new direction you want to go. If you are in this crossroads where you want to take one direction, and if your heart is saying yes, I have to choose that direction, just go with it. Okay, so universe is saying yes, just go. This path will bring you empowerment, this path will bring you happiness, this path will bring you a lot of communication, a lot of opportunities. I'm getting like that. If you are in this crossroad, then just go with the one you feel from your heart. Okay, and with this blue color, you know, with this blue feather, for some of you, definitely you have some psychic abilities. Maybe you have like a clairvoyant or clairaudience, something like that kind of spiritual gifts you have, and you're not aware of it right now, but you will become aware of it. Okay, so I'm getting that from this blue feather. So let's see what else for my group number 1. Let's see with this angel tarot here, what is for my group number 1, what they don't see coming. Yeah, look, we have Ace of Fire, new opportunities, an exciting new opportunity, career advancement, change your life now. Wow, look, you know, so if you want to take this job, if you are like, yeah, for some of you, definitely new opportunities gonna come in your career and you are not expecting it. So definitely, if you're not expecting, you are gonna have this opportunity. You're gonna get a new job, new career advancement. Maybe for some of you, you are going to be very passionate about your hobby, and maybe will change your hobby into career. Or maybe you're like, look, with this back of the deck we have renewal, you know, that is the judgment card. It's like getting a new chance, getting a second chance in your life, right? So yeah, angels are with you, they are helping you, okay? Yes, it's time to change your life. It's a second chance. Definitely something new, something exciting is going to happen for you guys, and you're not seeing it right now, okay? So angels want you to know, be excited, be positive right now, because something is going to change your life now. A new passion, maybe a new job, maybe a new love relationship, something new, definitely, okay? Maybe you're understanding that you have talents, some hidden talents are gonna be uncovered for you guys, and it will be very exciting. I feel like that. Wow, that's definitely good. Let's see what else for my group number 1. Yes, okay. So options, lot of options, you have lot of opportunities coming towards you, okay? So consider the career opportunities that are open to you, okay? So some new opportunities are coming, with this blue feather I was talking about. If you're in crossroads, you don't know whether you want to go left, whether you want to go to right, you have a lot of opportunity. For some of you, just go with your heart knows the way, okay? So that is what I'm getting here. Trust your heart. This is the time to trust your heart and go with the, even though you feel that path might be very challenging or something like that, just go with your heart, because that will give you a lot of possibilities, lot of opportunities, and you will have lot of opportunities coming your way. You don't have to worry about anything right now. Just be calm. If you lost a job, if you lost something in your life, because something new is about to happen for you guys. So yeah, something new. And we have this, you are an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture, and teach about nature and animals. For some of you, definitely you are, you will be like adapting, adapting to a new you. I'm getting like that. You will be new you, completely happy in nature, not stressed about things anymore, connecting with trees, like connecting with nature. I feel like for some of you, definitely you're connecting with nature. You're connecting with Mother Earth, Gaia, and you're not seeing it. You're like, when we will go out, that kind of energy you might be right now in. But I see in the future you will be like going out in the nature, having fun, enjoying, and while you're in nature, you will be able to connect with yourself. That is what I'm getting. And this will be a very new feeling for you guys. I feel like that for some of you. And for some of you, definitely you are adopting a kitten. Okay, I got a kitten or maybe a dog, and you will be very, that will be that pet will provide you a lot of healing energy. I'm getting here. So for some of you, you might do, maybe someone will like, please, you will just unexpectedly buy some pet or something like, or someone will gift you or something like that. It will be very unexpected, and you will be like very happy with it. Or yeah, for some of you, definitely you're going on a path where you will be protecting the nature, the animals. You might be joining an NGO or something, and this might be your path. You might be thinking, whether you should go or do it, whether it will provide the finances or something like that. You have been very much thinking about it, but you know what, unexpectedly you will just go or follow that path. That will be the opportunities will come, you will do it. I feel like that here. Okay. And the back of the deck, we have author. For some of you, you might start writing a book. You're like, it will be like very unexpected. You will be discovering your talent, that yes, you have some talent in writing, or maybe you'll start a blog out of nowhere, or you will just start like some YouTube channel, and where you will be giving motivation to some people, or maybe just writing a book, writing a story, writing, something like that. I don't know, but definitely something very you will be like, you'll be like, okay, I have this to do, a lot of things, and you will be like, what to do, So that is why they're saying, there will be a lot of opportunities for you guys. So just go with your heart, don't overwhelm yourself, because maybe I feel you will get a lot of opportunities that will be very unexpected. Okay, yeah, shifting. Yeah, your consciousness is shifting. You're definitely you will be understanding your gifts. Maybe some of you will be like, a lot of thoughts will be, a lot of emotions will come out, you know, the emotions that were suppressed in the past, that is going to come out, and you will be like, yeah, I need to take action on this, you know, I need to let go this. Maybe some emotions were suppressed, and you will be like completely letting go of that emotions and moving forward. It will be like out of nowhere. So you know, you will be doing some work in your kitchen, and that time, like, these emotions will come, and you will be like, what is happening? And you know, it is needed, you need to let go of that all suppressed emotions. So I'm feeling like that also, something in your consciousness is completely shifting. You're shifting your vibration, you're letting go of the limited beliefs also. For some of you, right, you're changing your perception. For some of you, yeah, you know, look at the back of the deck, we have fearless. You're going to be very confident in yourself, and you know, sometimes you will be surprised by yourself. I'm feeling that energy, very, oh, I had these many, you know, talent. You know, you will be like surprised about that. Yes, I had this and I didn't know about it, you know. That kind of thing is also coming. You're going to be very fearless and confident. If you're in a lot of doubt and a lot of worry right now, that is all going, and it will be so unexpected. You will be like, wow, I never thought that will happen, you know. Okay, look, door to spirit. Again, your consciousness is shifting. You're connecting to the divine. For some of you, definitely you're understanding your psychic gifts. Maybe something inside is you're changing from inside. That is the thing. You know, I'm getting that energy here, where you will be very peaceful from inside. A lot of peace is coming, a lot of love is coming from inside. You know, you might be working on your heart center, and you will be feeling a lot of joy, a lot of gratitude, and you will be very happy. I feel like that, because there is a connection here with the spirit for you guys. Definitely, when you connect with nature, you will have a connection here. So a lot of things are changing inside you. I'm getting here. You know, inside you, you're finding a treasure inside you. You like that you never knew you had before. So some abilities about you, some talents about yourself you're uncovering, and that will be very unexpected, and you don't know about it right now, but definitely in the future you will uncover it. I'm feeling that. Okay, we got 3 cards over here. So stepping into power. Look, because you are changing from inside, and you will be in your power. You know, you're strong beyond measure. For some of you will definitely like, yes, I'm powerful, I have endured a lot in the past, now I can just move forward quickly. I've learned a lot of lessons in the past, now I just need to apply these lessons and move forward, right? So you are going to be in your power. You have that power. For some of you, definitely you will understand your psychic power or something like that. Maybe you have some spiritual gifts, and you will be understanding that, and you will be in your power. You will be feeling like, yes, divine is with me, you know, the universe is with me, you know, the universe is working for me, not, you know, that kind of energy where you're going to trust the universe, and you will be in your own power. And look at that, you'll be stepping into power, and you will be reaching your destination. So if you are in, if you don't know where right now, if you are feeling like whether you should take left, whether you should take right, go with your heart, guys, because you will reach your destination. You're going to transform so beautifully with this butterfly. For some of you, I feel like the person you are right now will not be next year, or you know, 1 year from now you'll be completely different person, completely different ideas you will be having, completely, you will be you know, you will be like changing your lifestyle. I'm getting here, you'll be completely changing your lifestyle, your you know, the group of friends you're vibing with now, I'm feeling that will also change. You're going to be more spiritual if you're not already. I'm feeling that you're getting into spirituality also. For some of you, definitely you're going to you know, you're shifting your consciousness. Definitely there is a shift, and some people will come with you on this journey, some will not come with you. Okay, so yeah, you have a connection, you're understanding yourself more and more, you know, and that is what, and because of that, you will, you know, you will have a lot of talents that you will be uncovering. And yes, just go move forward, because you have so much to uncover, you know. Clarity is also coming, communication is also coming. You can have a communication with the divine also. I'm getting here, things are changing for you, positive changes are coming, guys. Okay, so believe in magic. Look at that, you know, because I feel this pile will be like, yes, there is magic, you know. Now you don't believe in magic if you're listening and you know what is, I don't believe in magic and all, it's like not, but you know, things will happen in your life and you will be like, yes, there is magic. If you believe in magic, there will be magic, that kind of energy. Because you know, in the past something happened to me also, you know, and I also used to not believe in magic, and right now, like, I'm in, you know, I believe in magic now. You know, there is miracles, there is magic, and for you also, I'm feeling that energy. You know, you will be if you believe, if you're not believing it now, in the future, definitely you are going to believe. Like, life is such a miracle. Life is all about happiness. You know, why people are suffering? It's so happy. You know, you'll be like, oh, people make their problems worse, when it's not. You know, you are going to change. You're completely gonna transform. And the people will be like, oh my god, you have transformed from inside and out. A lot of changes, guys, from inside, lot of transformation, lot of shifting your consciousness, and you don't know that now. You know, it's completely going to be a surprise, I feel, for you. And you know what, with this stepping into power card, I feel like that no one will be able to, you know, make you self doubt about yourself. No negative comment will affect you, because you will be that much in power. And it's you know, you're going to be very strong, and you're going to sing your own song, I'm getting here. So let's do charms. Okay, we have this plate over here. Interesting, guys. Wow. So let's see for my group number 1 what the charms have to add. Yeah, you are getting out of your shell. Oh my god, that was a lot. Wait a second, we have this one here. We have a P here. Okay, so yeah, we have tortoise. Okay. Slow but stable. Okay, slow energy, definitely slow. It's not going to be very super fast. Yeah, you will be like, wow, you will be like relaxing, watching a movie and eating popcorn, very relaxed. You know, you're going to be very relaxed in the future. You'll not be stressing about anything. You're going to get out of your comfort zone. You're going to come out of your shell. And when you come out of your shell, when you get out of your comfort zone, things are going to be magical for you guys. And that is what I'm seeing here. We have rabbit also. Sorry. We have rabbit also. We have 2 tortoises. You know, go with the flow. You know, go with the flow of life. Or for some of you, connect with water. I'm getting that also. And your you know, I feel some of your masters going, you know, you don't know this talent, but definitely your masters of like going finding flow in life. You know, you will go with the flow. You are masters like, you will be like very centered. You will be like I'm feeling that you will be like going with the flow. You will be very easy. Right now if you're not, you will be uncovering that about you, you know. Yeah. With water element is very important. I feel like for some of you, with water you can manifest things. Okay, water is very important, and with this water also comes intuition, right? So yeah, for some of you, definitely you're uncovering some of your psychic abilities. I'm getting that with this blue feather also. You don't know right now, but definitely, yeah, with this blue color again, you know, I'm getting that vibe where you will be uncovering something about yourself, and it will be like completely different, and that will change your life forever, you know. Yeah, don't hang on to, yeah, you need to let go of this anger that you have inside yourself. It is not going to take you anywhere. Let go of that anger, let go of that thinking, let go of that limiting beliefs that you have about yourself. Love yourself. Okay. Yeah, you're very intelligent people. I feel like that also. Love. Yeah, with this monkey, I'm feeling sometimes you don't stick into one thing, right? You want to do this, you want to do this. No, just focus on one thing, one direction right now. I feel that's important. If you're trying to do lot of things at the same time, choose wisely. I'm getting go with your heart here, and stick to that, you know, stick to one thing. I'm getting that. Stick to one thing and manifest that, because magic, you know, with this dragonfly, I feel that magic is happening in your life. You're going to believe in magic. Right now you don't. You will be manifesting things. We have a girl child here. Okay, for some of you, if you're pregnant, maybe it's a girl, I don't know. Just or maybe you will be like connecting with your own inner child. I feel like that can also happen, and you'll be very happy. Maybe you lost that innocence, now it's like coming back. You're like enjoying life, you know. I'm feeling like that you'll be enjoying life. You will be like a free spirit. You will be like happy, you know. And you will be like, yeah, we don't want many people in our life to be happy. One is enough, or I am enough to be happy. You know, you can be happy in yourself. That kind of, you know, connecting with nature and be happy for, you know, everything, you know, small things, being happy. That kind of energy I'm getting. Yeah, for some of you might be traveling also, or maybe I feel from one phase of your life to another phase, transformation, a major transformation is happening for you guys. Definitely unity is coming. Okay, if your emotions are completely scattered, I feel your emotions will be balanced. I feel like that your mental and physical side will be balanced. Okay, because with this new new thing that is happening in your life, new yeah, that is the thing. You have protection. You will sing your own song. I'm getting that with these dolphins also. Love, lot of love. I feel self-love. Okay, or maybe love from other people also. Definitely, you need to let go of anger though. Work on your anger. If you have short temper, work on that. I'm getting that also. Okay, then we have C. Okay, we have P and D. Okay. Okay, let's see what else letters. Oh my god. Okay, so let's see. Y. Okay, YouTube, if you're planning, just go ahead. Maybe if you're like thinking whether I should start doing YouTube, YT, I feel like you should start doing it. Maybe that is what it's coming. I don't know if you N R E S A. We have a blank. I feel you need to rest a little bit. Okay, yeah, with this monkey energy, you're like constantly doing work or constantly thinking. You should rest your mind a little bit. I'm getting that also. And when you rest, when you know, completely let go, that is the time when you will be like understanding things. That is the time spirit will communicate with you. That is the time when you will be uncovering your own talents, you know, and go with it. Trust your you know, we have ant. Okay, ant is all about success, determination, working hard. Okay, when you work hard with determination, no one can stop you. Okay, we have this rest here. Okay, definitely we have this rest here. We have YouTube here. Okay, you will be set. Okay, you will be set. I'm getting here. You will be set. Yeah, definitely things will be set. Things will be in its place. You don't have to worry about it. And with this cat, we have cat also. Cat is all about independence, right? So you're claiming your power. Maybe, yeah, for some of you, definitely cats are very psychic. So some of you are uncovering your psychic powers. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, yeah, that's interesting here. Okay, we have Nat here. Okay, Natty. Then anything else? You can do anything you want. When you set your mind to anything, you will be able to do it. So remember that. Okay, your mind is very powerful here. Okay, remember that. And we have C and P and D also. So let's add this also. We have C here, P and D. We have Dan. Okay, then Tan. A lot of okay, fine. Okay, yeah, interesting, right? You can do anything. Yes, you can do anything. You know, you will have a lot, you know, anything you can do. That is what you will be seeing. You know, for some of you, definitely water element I was talking about. You can manifest with water. Water are very important. Water is very important for you guys. You know, with water, maybe that is your intuition, because water, I feel like your emotions will give you answers. You know, your intuition is going to be strong, and you will be uncovering something about that. I'm getting that. You know, your hidden treasure you are uncovering, your talent, your capability, your power, and because of that, things are changing, things are shifting for you. Literally for some of you, you're shifting location. That can also happen unexpectedly, or that is you don't see coming, or maybe you're planning and you don't know whether it will happen or not. Maybe for some of you it will happen. Okay, yeah, I feel a teacher vibe also. Someone is gonna teach some, taking teacher job or something like that also, going to school and teaching, something like that also I'm getting here. Okay, yeah, you don't have to worry about anything. You can achieve anything, okay, in your life. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Okay guys, bye bye, take care. Group 2, if you choose this pink feather, so I feel with this pink feather, your angels are protecting you. The angels love you very, 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 very much. I'm getting this pile. Okay, for this pile, you don't know that, but definitely your angels love you a lot. And for some of you, definitely a true love is coming. If you are manifesting some soulmate energy or something like that, I see that some love is also coming. It's all about love. Okay, pink feather. So yeah, love is definitely coming. So if you're going through an emotional phase in your life, so this pink feathers says that definitely that is ending. So yeah, good things are gonna happen for you guys. Okay, so if you're going through a very emotional phase in your life right now, things are gonna be ending. Okay, and for some of you, definitely you are gonna meet your true love. For some of you, definitely that is also coming here with this pink one. Okay, so let's see what else. And with this golden touch, I feel like that, yeah, things is going to be very nice for you guys. A lot of love from angel also. Okay, you're protected by your angels. Lot of angelic love for your guardian angels are protecting you. I'm getting that also for this group. You are like the babies of your angels. I'm getting that. Like, you don't know that, but definitely your angels are protecting you a lot. So yeah, so tough times are gonna be over for you guys. If you are going through a very tough times are gonna be over for you guys. Okay, and you're like, when it's gonna be over? Okay guys, that is what you have chosen this pink feather. So I feel like that is your message right now. Okay, so let's see one card from this angel tarot for you guys. What do you see? So yeah, unity 5. Okay, traditional viewpoints or methods, spiritual organizations seek out mentors and like-minded friends. So first, this unity card, this Hierophant card also, it's about marriage also. I'm getting that vibe here. And for some of you, definitely you are going to get into the spiritual. If you are like interested in the spirituality, maybe you will be taking guidance from a mentor or something like that, or connecting with that kind of people. Yeah, definitely 7 of air. You're moving away from these kind of group of people where there is like they're backfiring or something like that, where they're gossiping. You're getting out of that situation. You're forming a new circle of friends where there is love. There is a deep connection. Maybe for some of you, you are meeting your soulmate. It's not a love connection, maybe it's like a friendship. Meeting a lot of good friends. For some of you, definitely you have endured a lot in your life. With the 7 of air, there have been people who are not good for you, who don't there might be people who will not understand you. That kind of energy is also I'm getting here. Yeah, you're getting out of that. You're getting out of that. And I'm feeling, yeah, for some of you, you might be going for learning something, or yeah, some higher learning you're gonna do, and you don't know now. But yes, definitely I see, if you're planning, yes, definitely you will go and do some higher learning. Maybe reading a book, maybe joining an online course can happen for you guys. And with this, this is also about tradition. 5, Hierophant is also about a card of marriage. Okay, so for some of you, definitely you're gonna marry or maybe you will have an unexpected proposal or something, I don't know, but definitely that is also coming through. Okay, yeah, something good is gonna happen for sure. Your tough times are over, guys. And for some of you, definitely you're advancing in your spirituality, making new friends, connecting with good people. You're the people who vibe with you. Okay, where you don't have to hide yourself. You can be open to them. You can say anything to them, and they will connect with you. They will not judge you. That kind of people. Okay, that kind of, maybe you will be working or something like that also I'm getting here. Maybe you will be doing some spiritual or maybe you are a teacher who will teach some people about, you will give advice, or maybe you are like joining a college or something like that also is coming here with this 5. Okay, Hierophant. Okay, yeah, yeah. Maybe you are attending church or something like that. Maybe you will go to a temple or something like that. Also coming here unexpectedly. Okay, that is also coming here. Maybe, yeah, you are doing something spiritual also here. Okay, and you, yeah, that is what I'm getting. And because of, and you will go there, meet new people, and you will connect with them, and you don't know, that is what you don't see coming, I guess. Here, deep friendships I'm getting here. Okay, so once again, okay, yeah, we got, oh my god, yeah, trust. Look at the color here, pink, right? Isn't it beautiful? That, look, the color is pink. Oh, sorry. And the angels are telling to trust your feelings and dreams. Okay, so if you are if you need to trust yourself, you need to believe in yourself, you need to believe in the path you are right now. If you want to do something related to different in your career, maybe a spiritual career or something, just go with that feeling, trust in that, trust your angels, because your angels are with you. Okay, they are with you. I'm getting that vibe here. A lot of deep connection with angels here for you guys. Yeah, look, we have trust. You can do anything that your heart desire. You need to go with your heart. Okay, that is what is coming. Yeah, for some of you, you're changing your career. Okay, so and you might be feeling you want to change your career. Maybe you're like, no, I'm not gonna change my career. But in the future, I see for some of you, you might be changing your career, and you might be going with your heart, because this is your hobby. Maybe for some of you will take your hobby and make it a career. Maybe if you have a hobby, you will be so interested, so passionate to make it a full time. If you're doing something part time, and if you would do your maybe for example, if you're an artist, you paint, you're doing it like a part time job right now, you might be doing like a hobby, but you're selling also at the same time. But I see for you guys, you will take the next step and do it like full time. Maybe you will do that, you will take that action, or maybe this message is like, you need to do that, you need to do something that your heart desire. Or maybe if it's a spiritual thing you're doing like part time, maybe you'll make it full time, something like that. But definitely, whatever it is, it's like you will be doing the thing that makes you happy, that makes your heart full, that gives you joy, that gives you happiness. Okay, so that is what you're going to do. And there is a deep connection with angels, definitely. Maybe for some of you do angel work or something. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting that also, angel work. Yes, you are very connected to the angels, the angelic realms. Yeah, you're very connected to them. I'm getting that also here. So let's see what else for my group number 2. Yeah, you're embracing yourself. Lot of creative energy here, right? You're creative. Or for some of you, definitely if you're planning unexpected pregnancy can also happen. I don't know. Yeah, maybe a new member is coming, maybe you're marrying. That all will be like unexpected here. For some of you, definitely yeah, having babies, having a family, that is also coming here with the sexuality card. And for some of you, embracing yourself. Okay, with this you're embracing your creative ideas, you're taking action. Look, the back of the deck, we have take flight. Yes, you need to take flight. You're transforming your need. For some of you, definitely you're changing career, complete career path. Maybe you were in corporate, you'll be like completely transforming your career. Okay, for some of you, it might be very sudden. I feel like that, you don't see, you might be thinking about it, but you'll be like, whether I should do it or not, and you will do it. I am getting that vibe. You'll just let go of your own fear, your self-doubt, and maybe you'll meet that kind of people who will encourage you to take this path, and you'll move forward with it. And yes, you're embracing yourself, you're embracing the way you are. I'm getting here. So for some of you, yeah, I'm getting that whatever sexuality you are, you will embrace yourself in the future. If you are not embracing it now, you will embrace in the future. Yeah, you will have the courage, you will have the strength, you will be like very proud of yourself. I'm getting that vibe. If you are doubting yourself, if you are not proud of yourself in the future, I see you will be proud of yourself. You will be operating from your heart center, you will be loving yourself, you will be in this mode of gratitude, because there is a connection with angels. Your angels are giving you answers also. I'm getting here, you have a connection here. Okay, so you're going to take a leap of faith and move forward in your life. You're not going to think too much. I'm getting here. That will be very unexpected for you guys, and I don't know why I'm getting that energy here. Yeah, you will do something daring. I'm getting here. And people will be like, oh my god, how she was so shy, or people felt that you were weak or something, but you will be like, you will be like very strong, but you are very compassionate people, you're very kind people. Maybe for some of you empaths, okay, that is also I'm getting here. Okay, so people thought that you were weak because you showed so much kindness, but I feel in the future people will be like, oh my god, you're so strong, you did that work, you are coming out of your shell or something like that. Maybe you're embracing yourself, you're speaking about yourself, you're speaking about the things you were very, the things you were hiding. I'm getting that yeah, you were hiding something about yourself. There was a secret you were hiding, and now you're talking about it. In the future you will be talking about it. That is what I'm getting here. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. All the angels came. Angel of love. Again, we got this pink color. This pink color is very important to you guys. It's all about love. Lot of love, deep connection with angels. Maybe a deep connection with, you will form a deep friendship also. I'm getting you will form a deep love connection also. That, with this, if you are already in a connection, I feel that will get into, you will marry, or maybe if you are already married or something, maybe you, or if you're in partnership, you will think about having a baby, or I can see that also. Lot of family love is also coming here. Okay, yeah, tradition, yes, of course I see marriage here. Yeah, we have, look, a lot of angels, archangels here, that came here. Angel of love is there, Archangel Raphael. Yes, your heart is healing. Look at this green color over here, a lot of greens. Okay, so yes, you are operating from your heart center. For some of you, your heart center was closed, and I am feeling that you will be opening your heart center in the future. With this opening up of your heart center, that will provide a lot of blessings. Okay, you will be very happy, you will be very centered also. I feel like that in the future. You'll embrace yourself, you'll be trusting your own creativity, you will be not doubting yourself. That is what I'm getting. You'll be going with your heart. With this heart, we have Archangel Raphael, and we have heart desires, right? So Archangel Raphael is all about heart healing. He heals, if your body, if you had a problem, if you had any physical issues, if you had any, if you had any health problems, I see that is also healing. You're going through a healing where you're embracing yourself, you're accepting yourself, you're loving yourself the way you are. Okay, you're opening up. I'm getting that you're opening up. Your vision is clear. If you're like, if you don't know, if you're like confused right now, you will have no confusion anymore. You will be like, yes, I want to do this, and I'm going to go with my heart. I'm going to do this. You're going to be very strong, very courageous, and you will have so much love to give. You're all about love, kindness, compassion, and because of that, people will like you. Okay, there will, I feel for this pile, you will not be vibing with all kinds of people, because you're letting go of many people who are not good for you. Okay, you are only connecting with that kind of people. You will have a friend circle where you will be connecting with them. Deep connection, I'm getting here, deep connection, and things will be very clear. You will be able to make decision based upon your heart, because that will give you success. Things are going to be clear. If things are confusing right now, remember, things will be clear in the future. Okay, wow, that is beautiful. Very lovely energy here. Pink is very important color for you guys. Maybe you're getting some pink feathers, or you're seeing pink feathers in your dreams. So yeah, your angels want to communicate to you, or maybe you're seeing number 22, right? So yeah, that is important here. Changes are coming. Life is changing for good, right? And you're not seeing that major transformation from, accepting yourself, self-acceptance. I'm getting loving yourself. Self-love is also here. Making a deep connection with yourself. Okay, I'm getting that also here. Wow, beautiful. Okay, we have here, yeah, narrow pathway. Okay, so you need to go slow. Don't be very impatient. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. So whatever this path you're taking, you know, from your heart, there will be obstacles, there will be, look, we have this look transformation, a fresh new way of living emerges. You are completely leaving the back, the bad, the you know, the people who are not serving you will not come in this phase. You know, something new, definitely. Yeah, but yeah, this path is not going to be so easy. But you are very you're going to be very passionate, very kind, but at the same time you need to be you know, you don't have to be impatient, you need to be more patient. Patience is also important, and go slowly, okay? Go slowly, get into your heart center, make decisions based upon your heart, and that will lead to success only. So you need to move carefully, okay? But you definitely, your angels are with you, okay? You love is lot of love, lot of self love, lot of deep connections with friends or maybe family. You know, for some of you it's friends, from some of you it's self love, for some of you it's like acceptance, self acceptance, finally accepting yourself, or for some of you it's like complete angelic love, you're getting the love from angels. For some of you, you're opening up your heart, healing, lot of healing energy, you're healing your heart, okay? If your heart was broken in the past, it's going to be healed, okay? There will be a person coming who will heal your heart, okay? If you're single, definitely I see that also, lot of healing, okay? Yes. So let's see what your charms have to add to this. Let's see, for my group number 2 people who, what they don't see coming. Let's see for group number 2. Oh, we got this in pile 1 also. So yeah, this is popping up. So yeah, blue color, communication, clarity, I'm feeling. Yeah, we have this card here, right? Yeah, vision. Yeah, definitely that is the card. This is the charm for this card. Yeah, clearly you are seeing. Your third eye is open. For some of you, definitely your third eye. You're opening up your third eye. You're having the vision, clear vision here. Confidence. Yeah, you're getting confident. You're accepting yourself the way you are. You're trusting your creative ideas. You're trusting your path. You're going. Yeah, for some of you, healing your solar plexus also. Okay, I'm getting that. A lot of numbers, you know, 6 number, 3 number. 3 number is like connection with archangels, ascendant masters, right? Yeah, we have 6 again. Look, your number is 6 and 3, okay? And 2. So you might be seeing 3 threes. 6 is all about relationship, harmony, sharing responsibilities, you know. And 6 number is all very kind, compassionate, you know, motherly energy. You have that, okay? So definitely, okay, for some of you, you are accepting the way you are. I'm getting with this camera, you know, I'm getting this vibe that you know, when we take a photograph, we will be able to see everything very clearly, right? Yeah, so you are like going to see everything very clearly. You are going to accept every part of your body. That is what I'm getting. You are accepting the way you are. Yes, you are accepting the way you are. And 1, new beginnings. What I said, new beginnings. We have this new beginnings. Where it came here? Something. Yeah, the back of the deck, I guess. Here. Yeah. Here. Look, a fresh new way of living emerge. Something very new, very different. You're cutting your past. You're letting go of the past self completely. You're accepting yourself. Your transformation. Look, we have the butterfly. Yeah, you keep on moving forward. Okay. Believe in yourself. You're going to be in your power. You're going to be in your power, guys. You're going to be very confident. Yeah, if you're not confident right now, I see you very, very confident in the future. Let's see. What are the letters have to add to this? Okay, January might be important next year, maybe. Yeah, New Year, January might be important, guys. We got Jan here. Okay, January month might be very important. Maybe something will. Okay, I don't know. We have a camera. Maybe someone is walking. You know, you're buying some DSLR camera or something like that. I don't know. Maybe you're buying a new camera. I don't know. NIQ. P. Okay. Pin is all about new beginnings, right? New job, new career, right? new passion. Yeah, I'm seeing that also, something new, definitely something new here that will make you very stable, feel very, very creative thing. It can be a very creative thing also, with the sexuality. You're going to be like very you'll be having like you'll be in your sexual energy also. I feel like that is also coming up. Yeah, if you were afraid of that before, you will not be anymore afraid of sex or something like that. Is also coming up. If you had problems in the past, if you had this sexual abuse or something like that, I'm seeing that is also, you're just recovering from that. You're letting go of that, and you are now you are embracing yourself. I'm getting that energy also. You're not afraid of that anymore. You'll not be afraid of that anymore. I'm getting that here. Okay, for some of you, that's a very specific message. Okay, your questions will be answered. QA, I'm getting questions will be answered, and your angels will give you answers. I'm getting you whatever your vision is going to be very, very clear, as I said. So all your questions will be answered by the angels. Okay, we have 2A. We have angels, right? AN. Okay, I feel like that. We have 2A. So archangels, I'm getting here. Archangel, we have Archangel Metatron and Archangel Raphael working with you. Okay, yeah. Okay, we have Leah. Leah might be a name. Nia might be a name. Okay, then Lid. Yeah, you're closing a chapter. Lid, I'm feeling like you're closing one chapter, you're letting go of that chapter. Now you're gonna go to a new chapter, and you're not going to come back to this old chapter anymore. You're a new one. You're something new now. Yeah, you're not going that. Okay, pill. Okay, maybe pill. Okay, so that's all for my group number 2. If you have any any words, just comment it down below. Bye bye, take care, guys. My group 3. So yeah, so if you chose this black feather, then what is that you don't see coming? So let's see. With this black feather, a lot of protection, definitely a lot of protection from your angels. For some of you, you might be going on a solo journey for some time, where you will be reflecting on the things. Okay, for some of you, it can be a dark night of the soul. Maybe you will be uncovering a lot of gifts about yourself, like a lot of spiritual gifts. Okay, I'm getting that also. Maybe for some of you, I'm feeling this part is already spiritual. You will be like getting more into spirituality. You maybe for some of you, you will spend more alone time, I'm getting here, and that way I feel this pile is going to be very wise also. A lot of wisdom is coming your way. Maybe your crown chakra is going to be very, very activated. Okay, that is also I'm getting. You're connecting with the cosmos, universe, getting insights, deep insights, knowing things. I'm getting that kind of vibe. But remember, you're protected. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so yeah, deep insights, deep downloads from the universe. Okay, yeah, mystical experience, I'm getting that also here for you guys. Look, Chariot. Wow, Cancer, you might be Cancer. Okay, it can happen. So yeah, you don't have to be Cancer, but yeah, definitely we have this Cancer element. With this Cancer, an important achievement. Oh, for some of you, you are going to achieve something. A big achievement is gonna happen for you guys. That is also I'm getting. Okay, so if you have been working on something for so long, and you have been not recognized for your work, or people will like, oh, are you they didn't give you the credit you wanted, you hoped for. I feel that credit is coming here for you guys. You're getting a lot of credit, a lot of recognition from other people. Maybe your boss will recognize your effort or something like that, I'm getting here. And yes, you keep on moving forward, guys, and definitely whatever you're doing, keep the focus. Okay, just keep on working on that. Self discipline is very important. Okay, even if you feel like that no one is like recognizing you, or they are not giving you the credit, or maybe you're not getting that pay, you're working hard but you're not receiving that pay, don't give up. Just keep on moving forward with, because you are going to get recognized. You are, maybe for some of you, you're getting recognized by your angels, spirit guides, universe recognizing you, your worth, right? You're recognized by the universe, you're connecting with the universe, and Definitely something you're gonna achieve something. You're gonna achieve something and you don't see it now, but you are gonna achieve something. Definitely a major achievement is coming. If you're working on something right now and you're losing hope, don't lose hope, guys, because you're gonna have that. Okay, some rewards are also coming for some of you. You might you might get an award or something. That is also I'm getting, like with the 7 number, it's like very spiritual number also. You're getting into spirituality. If you are already spiritual, I see advancement in that. Okay, yeah, achievement, definitely achievement. So keep on moving forward, keep following your dreams. That is what I'm getting here for group number 3. Okay, we have 3 cards. Freedom. Lot of freedom is coming your way. You're not going to be restricted in any form or any shape. You're free to do whatever you like. Practice. Okay, lot of practice. And then music. Okay, for some of you, definitely, if you are in this music field, okay, because we have this also as a music instrument. This is also a music instrument. So for this pile, music is very important. With the help of meditation music, you can connect with the divine. That is the first thing. Okay, if you don't know, just connect, put like different frequency music will help you for connection with the divine. And for some of you, if you are in this music field and you are not getting the recognition you deserve, you will get the recognition, but you need to keep practicing, you need to keep focusing. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. Yeah, you need to practice this a lot. So for some of you, I'm seeing you are not getting recognized, so you're losing hope and you're not moving forward. Maybe you wanted to do this, maybe there are limitations from outside world. Maybe your parents are like, oh, don't do this, this will not give you the the rewards or something like that. Because of that, you're not putting that practice. So you need to practice. So when you practice, and if you're fully working on this, I'm getting that you will be able to take this path. So yeah, you will get the recognition for sure. Okay, if you're into music, if you're practicing, if you're giving your 100%, you will get the rewards, you will get the recognition, guys. So keep on working. Okay, that is what I'm getting. You need to practice more though. You need to practice. Okay, you're protected. Maybe for some of you, you need to connect with the divine. Okay, meditate and do you will be able to if you are a composer, if you compose new music, you can connect with the divine and you will get a lot of ideas about that. You can have that downloads also, I'm getting. But you need to practice whatever skill you're doing right now. If it's music or whatever creative thing it is, you need to practice more. Don't lose hope, don't give up. If you give up, then this will not happen. That is also I'm getting here. So you need to practice. The more you practice, the more you will be good at it, and the more you will be, and then you will be appreciated. You will get I feel a big achievement. Okay, you will be recognized for your work, sure. And we have the back of the deck, counseling. You heal with kind words, wise advice, and empathetic ear. So for some of you, definitely this can be like you need to seek a counselor or something. Maybe you will seek a counselor or something, or maybe some person will be near to you. Some person will give you very kind words, and that will uplift your mood. And you not see, maybe a friend will uplift you. Maybe a friend will like give positive encouragement to you, and because of that you will be like, yes, I want to do it, and you will be going forward it. And yes, you will be like, yeah, and you will get that achievement. You don't see that right now, but definitely a major achievement is happening. And for some others of you, you are the counselors, you are the healers. Okay, this is the healing pile, right? So yes, you are the healers, you're the counselor. You heal with music also. For some of you, definitely you heal with music. You sing healing songs. For some of you, definitely I see you're healers. You heal people. Okay, Reiki or something like that, tarot, something like that, also spirituality. So keep on moving forward, because this needs patience. Okay, so keep on practicing, because whatever you're doing will give you recognition. Okay, you have a lot of protection, a lot of downloads is coming. So I am getting that spend some quality time with yourself, some alone time. Okay, some time in nature also. Okay, what else for group number 3 that they don't see coming? Look, oh god, look guys, victory. We have this recognition, a big achievement is coming. Yes, this is confirming that, right? The end. the end of failures. Now it's the new start. You have been working on this a lot, so many of you have been working on something, and you have not been getting the rewards. You have been like putting your 100%, that you will not get anything, but that is gonna go over. Now it's time to shine. Now it's time people will be recognizing you. You don't see that, but that is gonna happen, guys. Wow, beautiful, guys. Just don't lose hope. Keep on working on what you're working. Don't give up. This is not the time to give up. Okay, we have this yet. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, you are getting into your own way because of your self-doubt. Okay, that is here, coming here. We have the number 7 again. 7 might be important to you guys. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, you're definitely getting in your own way. So don't do that. Don't overthink about that. Don't self-doubt. Whenever you're in doubt, ask your angels, ask your spirit guides. They will give you the answers, right? Because you are divinely guided people. You are divinely guided. You need to just follow them. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. But the stress will not take you anywhere. You need to let go of that. Or maybe for some of you, there are people around you who is discouraging you, or maybe they are playing behind the curtains, or they will do gossiping around you. You don't have to look up. You don't have to care about them. Don't put your energy towards them. That is also important here. You are on a different vibration, they are on a different vibration, so you don't have to get into that. Okay, trust your intuition. Okay, this, who is this person. You don't have to invest your energy with them. Okay, yeah. And for some of you, definitely it's your own thoughts. You need to let go of that. Okay, when you let go, victory is yours. Don't overthink. Don't be so attached to the outcome. I'm getting here. Don't be so attached to the outcome. Just let go of it and work on yourself. Practice and give your best. What else? Major achievement for you guys. Okay, we have surfacing. Okay, look, lot of things are surfacing out of nowhere. Lot of downloads. I'm getting that. Lot of downloads. You will know. You will get your answers. Lot of signs also I'm getting here. So you need to look up. Okay, whenever you see something. Again and again, if you're seeing something again and again, go and search, because that is the sign from the universe. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. Yeah, rejuvenation. You need to take a break also. For some of you, I feel sometimes if you're overthinking a lot, you need to take a break. And for some of you, you're going through a period of rejuvenation also I'm getting. So for some of you, definitely you had this dark night of the soul. Okay, look at the back of the deck is faith. Keep faith. Be faithful. It's the time to give everything to the universe, all your doubts, worries to the universe, and just hope for the best, because you will receive the best things. Okay, if you're feeling if you have gone through a dark night of the soul vibe, yes, you're getting out of that. You're going to see the light. That is what I'm getting here. Yeah, you have been working a lot. You are going to see that achievement. You will be relaxing. You will be taking a break also, because you'll be like, finally I achieved this. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. Wow, this is beautiful. So don't lose hope. Have faith. The back of the deck, faith. It's time to have complete faith. Just be faithful. Don't doubt. Don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt your capabilities. Don't doubt universe. Don't doubt angels. Don't doubt your spirit guides. No time for doubt. It's time for faith. Okay, just keep your faith alive. Surrender, guys. Surrender. You need to surrender more. Okay. Yeah, go slow, take time. I think you need to be patient. You need to be patient, guys, because everything is working in your favor. So don't be impatient, guys. This is all your energy I'm getting here. You're like, because of your impatience, you're getting very very, maybe sometimes you feel very void or something like that, because of don't be impatient. Don't compare yourself to anyone, because you will get the recognition you deserve. So go slow, take one step at a time. Okay, that is important here for you guys. What else? One more card. Okay, wow, look at that. Rainbow blessings. Blessings are showering your life. So what I said, guys, you're not seeing. You're like, when? No, don't do that. Okay, go slow, take your time. Everything is gonna happen in the divine timing, because look at this blessing card. The rainbows are gonna come here, right? You need to just go slow, take one step at a time. Believe in yourself, have faith, move. Don't let self-doubt creep in and just think about that you're not worthy, or don't do that. Don't do that. You know that. You don't have to do that. You know that, right? So don't do that. Okay, believe in yourself, believe in your capabilities, believe in your creativity, and just keep on moving forward. Believe in your spirituality, believe in your spirit guides, everything. Believe. Right now it's the time to believe, have faith, because blessings are showering your life. A big achievement is going to come. You're not seeing it. Definitely the rainbows are going to come. Your life is going to be very, very colorful. Okay, so definitely pile 3, you're very protected also. You don't have to worry. Okay, you're protected. So let's see what the charms have to add to the world for group number 3. Group number 3, what do those charms see coming? Okay, we have tea. We have lot of teas though. Okay, let's see. Okay, look, we have the crown here, guys. You know, recognition, achievement. You'll be like the feeling like a king or a queen. Definitely. Look, protection. We have this black feather. You're protected. Angels are protecting you, guys. Healing is happening. Your family issues are healed. Maybe if you don't have support right now, in the future I see support for you guys from family members also. Okay, so you speak your truth. You have clear visions. You have a lot of protection again. Number 4, stability. 4 number is your number. Don't let, only the problem is your own limiting beliefs about yourself, so you need to believe in yourself. 4 number is all about stability, security, home life, good home life, everything you have, but your own limiting beliefs are stopping you from achieving that. So don't let anything stop you. Okay, look, get out of your comfort zone. For some of you, you need to, maybe for some of you, you are like little afraid. You don't have to be afraid. Just go with the flow and trust yourself and take the, you are meant to be in the spotlight. I feel like that. So keep on moving forward. You're meant to have that place, the high recognition. I feel like that. Again, we are getting that protection. Stick with the plan. Keep moving forward. Healing. Yeah, you're going to wear new shoes. New, you will be new transformation, right? New things. Yeah, a lot of freedom. Look, we have cat. You're protected, right? You have dog also. Loyalty also is there. A lot of loyal friends, loyal people are around you. You will be manifesting a lot of loyal people. Okay, if you have a dog, that dog is very good. Maybe that will give you a lot of positive vibes. I'm getting here. A lot of independence, freedom. Okay. Yeah, you're going to be in your power here with this wheel of fortune. The wheel is turning in your favor. Lord, you have planted a lot of seeds, and that is gonna work out. Okay, believe it. You're not seeing that right now, but definitely with this message, with this rainbow blessing, you're gonna be blessed. You will have a achievement, definitely. Yeah, we have the letter Y here. We have E here. E. Lot of T's, 3 T's. What does T mean? X. Okay. Okay, we have YT YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, that might work off. Let's see what else for group number 3. What else letters? Okay. Me. It's me. GPA. Okay. So that might be important for some. Q E O R and I. Okay, we have a name here. Ria. Okay. Then what else? Okay, we have Gia also. Okay, then okay, we have TTX. We can make this anything. Yeah, end of something, rest in peace, you know, end of something, end of a cycle, new beginnings. Okay, yeah, I think the theme is like for this reading is like end and beginnings, and we are going through major transformation with this. Like we have this solar eclipse on 14th, and maybe that is why it's like affecting everyone. Okay, so a lot of transformation here for everyone here. It's like a collective thing, I guess. Okay, mega, you're going to be a mega star. Wonderful, because I was telling you, for some of you definitely a public recognition is there. You're going to be like something high position. If you're working on something, you will get the high position. If you want some place in your career, if you're aiming for high position, I see that it's coming here. Okay, definitely something big, something big. That you didn't expect, I'm getting here. Okay, might be a surprise, a big surprise for you guys, I guess so. Okay, wow, that's wonderful. Okay, we have Gia also. A lot of Gia, Ria, Mia. Yeah, we have Mia also, right? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, then it's about me. It's me time. Spend, yeah, me. I told you, you need to spend some alone time. When you spend time with yourself, you will know, you will get a lot of clarity, lot of downloads. I'm getting. If you're spiritual, if you're into spiritual field, you need to connect with yourself more. Meditation should be done, I guess. You need to meditate more. Okay. Connect with yourself, connect with your higher self, and yeah, I feel if you connect with your higher self, you will be like by next year you will not be needing any tarot readings also. I'm getting here, you'll know everything by yourself. That is also I'm getting here, right? Yeah, a lot of good things, guys. But yeah, you have done a lot of work. I'm getting that is also, you have done a lot of work. You have worked on something a lot. You have been working on something, and things have been so delayed for you guys, but right now it will change. It's your time, I guess. That the time is coming. Your time is like now. That is what I'm getting here. The time is now. It's for you. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Okay, anything else? Let's see, and just then we will stop it. Because I just like doing this, so that's why. But yeah, because interesting, we get a little more messages also, and that's fine. I find it very interesting. Yeah, we have a grip word. Yes, finally the grip is coming. You will be able to, for some of you, yeah, grip. Yeah, I'm getting, you will get the grip of things. You will be like, yes, you will be able, you will not fall. Now it's not the time to fall. You will be standing strong. I'm getting, yeah, here that is also coming out here. Yeah, definitely, guys. Okay, congratulations for your achievement, guys, for your blessings. Okay, bye bye, take care.